Hey, it's Johnny Jones. I'm here at home. And today I want to go over an eBay lot that I picked up. It comes with a Uniden PC68XL. We've seen those before on this channel. Someone has glued a an eagle or something to the top of that. Not really. Yeah. Hey, people have their own preferences, but that's not very appealing to me. Someone had it on a dashboard. You can tell right there that's Velcro this tore off. So this was a trucker's. I know that for sure because I'll show you in a minute. But it is bent quite badly at the back. Yeah. So that's going to have to be fixed. I have no doubt in my mind that I could probably fix that up. It looks good in the front. Bend the back into good shape. And we'll have it sold. What else do we get? Well, let's see. Here's how I know it belonged to a trucker. This is phased coaxial cable, which basically means it's just a piece of coax with two ends on it for two antennas. So this has definitely been in a vehicle. People don't usually do that unless they're in a truck. Okay, Johnny, that's no reason to think 100% that it was a trucker's. Do you have anything else that would tell you? Well, I do have this. I got this with it too. It's an SWR meter. Oh yeah, people have those. But it's trucker series. See? You gotta buy the trucker series. This isn't just an SWR meter either. This is actually an antenna tuner. It's a Transmatch. Made in the Philippines as well. Made in the Filipinos. I made that crap up. That's not Filipino. I can speak Filipino. Woo, but they hot. Filipino sausages. Anyways, so this is a straight up Transmatch. I had no idea it was a Transmatch when I got it. But you can see, so it has basically a variable capacitor and inductor there for matching your antenna, which is going to be co-phase, so it's going to be at least 75 ohms resistance, not reactance, but resistance. And then if you do have reactance, this takes it out. Alright, so what else did you get? Fine, God, you keep asking me. Fine, I'll show you more stuff that I got. Alright, so I got this thing. It's just a power mic. Yeah, it's seen better days too. It's seen better years, I think. Yeah. Alright, so that's not good enough. You want better stuff. Alright, I'll give you better stuff. Look at your son, so good news. So you're gonna... Look at that. Just two pieces of jumper cable. Alright, I'm holding out on you. Alright. Fine. I got an amp with it. Silver bullet. I don't really know. It says 50 to 100. So, I don't know if that's telling the truth or not. Sometimes things are just, cleverly named, so people think they're 100 watts or 50 watts when they're not. Usually you see that with stuff like in the 200s, where it's not really 200 watts, but they just call it some sort of interesting 200 name. But this is a pretty... Oh shit, I got stuff in the way. This is a pretty interesting looking amplifier because it looks like it's maybe name brand. Do you see how the heat sink on it is rounded? Yeah, you don't usually see that with the really cheap basic ass amplifiers. They have the same sort of shape, they have the same sort of chassis, same build. This doesn't look the same. It's called the Silver Bullet. Is this gonna keep getting... This is gonna keep getting in the way, isn't it? I need to cut this the fuck off. Anyways. Alright, fine. You want to know if it works. Alright. I guess I could hook it up and see if it works. See if the radio works and all that. In part 2, this is Johnny Jones. I'm here at home, and I'll see you later.